Yeah, but I can't believe he hung up on me.
Thank you for calling the Whirlpool Customer
Tennessee.
Experience Center. Let's begin. Which would you like? Say, please hold while your call is transferred.
If you are a consumer inquiring about a new appliance, please press 1. If you are a business or trade customer representative, press 2.
To improve our level of service, your call may be monitored or recorded.
Some good music up in here. I know. I like driving down the road with it. God, I hate these freaking long wait times. I'm over here dancing to this music. Uh, 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 uh. What? Alright. Where does he even live? Alright. You raped him. Oh yeah, I know. Demos purposely moved beside him. Or not beside him, but near him. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I subscribed to his YouTube channel too. Oh,
Thank you for calling Whirlpool Pre-Buy. This is Lindsay from Cleveland, Tennessee, and with whom am I speaking to today?
you're from Tennessee? I love Tennessee. That's where I'm from too.
Yes, I'm from Tennessee, sir.
Alright, my name's Skrillex. Cause
Okay.
I don't like giving out my real name.
Okay, what can I help you with today, sir?
Alright, so I just bought a fridge from you guys not but yesterday, right?
Okay.
And it's sitting there in my kitchen, right? And it's leaking water and ice everywhere, and it's imploding, and it's tearing down pieces of my wall in my house.
Okay, sir, let me get you to customer service where they can help you with this. This is direct sales. If you want me to connect you with a representative, I can do so.
Please.
Okay, bear with me just a moment, sir.
Please have all customer information ready,
Alright.
including the model and serial numbers of the product about which you are calling. To improve our level of service, your call may be monitored or recorded.
I'm glad this time they didn't hang up on me. Some good Tennessee music. No. Alright, I'm hanging up and go call him again. You're the only one I hear.
Thank you for calling the Whirlpool Customer Experience Center. Let's begin. Which would you like?
if they ask how I see him, I'll just be
Please
like, I'm
hold
looking
while
through
your
the
call is
window.
transferred.
If you are a consumer
I'm
inquiring
gonna
about
tell
a
him
new
I
appliance,
killed
please
one
press
of my
1.
friends.
To improve our level of service, your call may be monitored or recorded.
Wow, my cord looks like a pair of balls. A little speaker cord thing. What is Skrillex's neighborhood? Alright. How do you know this? Just Google Skrillex Wiki. Okay. And wait, you said his last name was Raymore, right? Alright. It's cold in here. Shut up!
Thank you for calling Whirlpool Pre-Buy located in Tennessee. My name is Ben. To who am I speaking with? Hello?
Sonny Moore.
Hi, Mr. Moore. How can I help you?
So, I just got a fridge from you guys, no, but 2 days ago, right? And it's imploding. Pieces of my house is falling down on it. It's leaking water and ice everywhere. A piece of ice shot out of my fridge, and it killed my cat. It killed Fluffy. It killed my cat, Fluffy.
Sir, I don't know what to say. That's just. So this is this is pre-buy sales. I would have to get you over to customer service for this this issue. Hold for just a minute, please.
Okay.
Please have all customer information ready, including the model and serial numbers of the product about which you are calling. To improve
That's
our
what we
level
do
of
with customer
service, your call
service.
may be monitored or recorded.
Okay. I don't need a moment. $1988. Yeah, you said 1998 at first. Alright, God. I know, right? Mr. Fatty. Mr. Cinnamon Roll. That's what we did last Christmas. Oh, yeah, I just told him I did that just like 10 minutes ago. I told him that I just lit him on fire with a firework in his ass. Yeah, I'd be like, fucking sweet, I wish you were here to see it. But too bad, you're supposed to be here fixing my fucking refrigerator. Oh, guys, I forgot to cut out the voice whenever I was talking to you on Xbox. I forgot to cut it out on the YouTube video.
As a valued consumer, our Repair Plus One program
So it's
provides
still
you
on.
the comfort of knowing your total repair costs up front and have peace of mind the repair and any additional product issues are covered for a full year. With the ability to schedule a service call anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you can feel confident that your appliance will be serviced by our certified, authorized repair technicians. After all, we guarantee it. Ask your care expert to see if your product qualifies.
Thank you for calling Whirlpool. This is Beverly in Tennessee. Can I get your telephone number, please?
My telephone number?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know my telephone number.
Have you ever called us before?
No.
Do you mind if I get some information from you to create an account?
Sure. Why not? You know, let's just hand out information left and right.
This information is not going to be given to anyone.
Okay, go ahead.
And what's your telephone number?
My telephone number, I seriously don't know it. I just got my phone today.
Okay, that's fine, sir. How can I help you?
Alright, so I just bought a fridge from you guys like 2 days ago. Like yesterday, it was starting to leak ice and water. And then now, like 20 minutes ago, my freezer started catching on fire. And the ice in there was starting to catch on fire and melt. And then it's
Okay.
tearing down my walls. And now a piece of ice just shot and hit my cat like 15 minutes ago. But good thing we stuck a rocket in his butt and then lit it. Because he went out in a blaze of glory. So, it was a fatty. His name was Fluffy.
Oh, I apologize, sir. I will need to get, some information so I can get you to a specialist about this issue. And who am I speaking with?
Sonny.
And your last name?
Moore.
And can I get your address, Mr. Moore?
I'm living in a hotel right now. Because I'm away from my house.
Okay. Now, I will need some of that information, sir, because if your refrigerator caught on fire, that is a serious issue that we need to address.
Serious issue?
Yes, if it caught on fire, yes, sir.
Alright, you know what? I think I'll just buy a new refrigerator. Oh my god. She said it was a serious issue and she needed where I lived. Yeah. So I'm just gonna leave this as it is.